Okay, fellas, thought I'd give a little update on what's going on here in my garage. I've been working on this 60 Ranchero, and I painted the body, spray painted the body the other day with Testors Gloss Black, and the weather has just turned on me. It was only 50 degrees, but the sun was shining, and I was hoping for the best and expecting the worst, and I got the worst. That paint didn't turn out, so I'll be working on the frame for that and have to wait, unfortunately, till the spring before I can do any more painting. I did get the engine done for it. This is a little small block 302 I've been working on, and that's what's going to go in that Ranchero. It's going to be kind of a sleeper. And then I've been working on a 56 Ford pickup. I tubbed it out. I took these pill bottles and cut those down. And here's the tubs in the bag there. And these are the big old meats that are going to go on the back, and the smaller tires up front. There's the frame and the engine. That's pretty much a stock engine for the 56, the Foose edition. I went to the hobby shop a few weeks ago and picked this new release up from Revell, 30 Ford. Probably going to be just like the 29s that I did. I did that red one and did that blue one, so it's going to be pretty much kind of the same thing. And the one I'm really excited about is I just picked it up yesterday at the hobby shop. It's the Revell's new release of the 51 Henry J. Man, this thing looks awesome. I just love the gassers. I'm going to show you some of the... Here's the body of it. That's just a sweet looking little body. Now, the tires, unlike the picture here where it says M&H, those are white decals you got to put on there, but look at those little old skinny tires for up front. Man, that's a true gasser right there. All right, let's look at some more here. Here's some more plastic. Just a big old bag of plastic. I like they got the hood already cut out. Look at the detail on those door panels. That looks pretty cool. That'd be nice to paint those up. This is probably going to be a spring project because I'm not ready to get on it just yet. Here's some of the chrome. That chrome looks pretty good. Not a whole lot of flash on it. Some headers leave a little bit to be desired, I think, but really not going to get into this one. Just taking a look at it. I just wanted to get this one because I really like the gassers, and I saw that Revell was going to release this issue again, and this revised issue, and just wanted to get it. So that's about it. All I've got going on in the garage right now. I think since I can't spray paint anymore, like I said earlier, I'm going to finish up the frame on both the 60 Ranchero and the 56 Ford pickup. That 56 Ford pickup, I'm thinking about doing a flat white with a pearl gloss over it. I've seen some pickups like that, and it looks pretty sharp, so that's probably what I'm going to go for. But I've been thinking about, since I can't spray paint, Revell just came out with their Hot Wheels edition of the monster truck. And I saw somebody built one of those and left the body as is. It comes molded in blue. They left it as is, and I think they just cleared it with some future. So that may be something I can do over the winter. Anyway, stay tuned. If I get that sucker, I'll have that on here. But that's about it for right now.